embark on a journey to uncover one of the world's most mesmerizing natural illusions. In the heart of the Indian Ocean, where turquoise waters meet powdery white sands, lies an island of breathtaking beauty, Mauritius. Known for its volcanic origins, lush landscapes, and vibrant marine life, this tropical paradise holds a secret, a natural illusion so mesmerizing that it appears to defy the very laws of nature. Just off the southern coast of the island, beneath the surface of the ocean, the waters seem to cascade into an abyss, a phenomenon known as the underwater waterfall. But how can a waterfall exist in the ocean? Is it real, or just a trick of the eye? Join us as we uncover the mystery behind this fascinating illusion. What we witness here is not an actual waterfall, but an optical illusion created by nature's genius. The island of Mauritius sits on an underwater plateau, a shallow seabed that suddenly drops into the depths of the Indian Ocean. At the edge of this plateau, powerful ocean currents push sand and silt over the ledge, creating the stunning illusion of a cascading waterfall beneath the waves. To the naked eye, from a bird's eye view, it appears as if the ocean floor is plummeting into the abyss. But in reality, this is the result of the way water moves over the submerged land formations, interacting with shifting sands and the play of light and color. The contrast between the shallow turquoise waters and the deep navy blue of the ocean creates a breathtaking illusion of depth and movement. This spectacle is a product of Mauritius's unique geography. The island was formed by volcanic activity over 8 million years ago, and it rests on one of the world's largest submerged plateaus. Just beyond the island's lagoon, the ocean floor takes a dramatic drop, plunging nearly 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, into the depths of the Indian Ocean. Over time, powerful oceanic currents have shaped this geological wonder, carving channels, and shifted sand in ways that continue to evolve with nature's rhythm. But the underwater waterfall is not just a stunning visual phenomenon, it also tells a scientific story. The continuous movement of sand over the plateau is evidence of the dynamic oceanic processes that shape coastlines and underwater landscapes. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of nature with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you more breathtaking destinations, fascinating natural phenomena, and hidden wonders of our world. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Join us as we continue to explore the beauty and mysteries of our planet, one discovery at a time. See you in the next video.